Hey, I have a gigantic box here, the Razer Battle Bundle. It comes with the Blackshark V2 X, the Gigantus V2, and the DeathAdder V2. I will be doing separate reviews of the mouse and mousepad in the near future, so look forward to that. Right now I'm just going to be kind of opening it and getting my first impressions. And I have a second camera right here, so it's a lot easier to see all of this. I'm excited. I have the DeathAdder Essential. Actually, I think I can just... I don't really know. This is a very big package. Okay, there's tape here. I see. Perfect. Now, just have to open this up. And we're topped with the mouse pad. The Gigantus V2 seems decent size. I've never really gotten like a decent, like normal size mouse pad, not like an extra large one, but this feels kind of hard in the top. You can kind of get a close up here. I think it looks pretty good. We'll have to try that out in a little bit. Actually, yeah, I can just put this right here. Secondly, oh no, it's just the mouse you have right here. There it is. This is the DeathAdder V2. Oh, wait for it. Oh yeah, that's the content you're looking for. Here's what it sounds like. I'm pretty sure they're using their optical switches here. That's what it feels like. I can't tell if this is rubber on the sides or not. If not, I think it's rubber or something like that. It even has like a special branding on it, which is pretty cool. It has a 20K DPI optical. I'll get into it more in the review and stuff. And I've never gotten a proper gaming headset before. I'm normally an earbuds kind of person. Alright. That looks pretty nice. What's in here? The microphone? Nah, that's just the cable, and yes, the microphone as well. No, there's the microphone. Okay, that makes more sense. Let me try these on. Ooh, they go like perfectly over my ear. These are very stretchy, and they have kind of this whole signature Blackshark design, which is very nice. These are very comfortable. I'm no audiophile or anything, but this, I mean, it feels cool. It feels premium. It has a nice sort of grainy texture with the Razer logo here. I like it. And that is it. Now we can try the mouse on the mouse pad real quick. This is definitely like a hybrid, but erring on the side of speed for sure. We'll have to see how this does. It's very grippy on the bottom. I will do, again, reviews on the DeathAdder V2 and the Gigantus V2, or Gigantus V2. Whichever one it is, I already forgot. So look forward to those. That about wraps it up for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.